I get asked all the time how we connect quad packs. Here's the perfect example. We got through the gate where the trench could be the size that we needed it for a quad pack. There was a double barrel and the Baughman Gold for downspouts. Just put an end plug in some high octane and finish your quad pack. Now remember, water moves through the voids in high octane better than it moves through stone. You're looking at a quad pack. We got a double barrel of the high octane at the bottom. That's the blue pipe. That's the perforated pipe. Now, because this pipe performs better than stone, we put another pipe up top, knowing that we're going to get better performance at the water flowing through this pipe into the bottom pipe. And when we get to this other end, what are we going to do? Don't overthink it, guys. Just put a Baughman end plug in. That's it. Baughman Tile makes these sweet, right in their Ohio plant, made in the USA, end plugs. You just want to put these in so you don't have stone going in the pipe. But this is going to act and perform better than stone. Get a lot of questions about this. All right, guys, until the next video.